Okay, so today's DIY project is going to cost you a whole $3. That's right, $3. Come on, I'm going to show you what you're going to spend your $3 on. Yes, as usual, I got coffee bread. Hey, I'm getting ready to show you a cool little trick. It's getting close to summer, and some of us want that tiki torch situation, but don't really want to have to, I guess, take a chance with that fire situation that can transpire from having a tiki torch. So you're thinking, well, okay, maybe I can buy the solar tiki torches, which they're about, $30-40 a piece. I'm going to show you how to have your own tiki torch for about $3. Okay, you go to Walmart and you get these bamboo torches. That's right, bamboo torches. They are $2, $2.40, I believe. They're long and tall, they do the job. And then pick up their solar lights that are 97 cents. That's right, 97 cents. Yeah, just take this part off. And then pull this out. Maybe you can use it some other time, but you don't need to use it with this. Okay, I'd say the hardest part is you got to take this little thing right here. I'm holding the camera, so I'm doing it at the same time. And then just flip it around. This is the part that puts out the flame. And then take your solar light. And voila, just insert. Just like that. How easy is that? And inexpensive, $3. Okay, now find the spot where you want to stick them. Okay, so as you can see, I made myself a little makeshift Tiki Garden. That's right. These are actually dog toys. I just put a little plastic chain here to make it kind of look like a tiki garden. But yeah, alright, so that's where I went with the torches. And as soon as it gets dark, I'll let you see what it looks like. But not bad for $3, huh? I think it does the job just fine. Okay, so I put the other two right here. And as you can see, I already have a couple of other ones. And those are actual solar. They look like a flame when they're flickering. But they were definitely more expensive than this situation. So as soon as it gets dark, I will definitely let you see the end result here of the $3 Tiki Torch DIY. Okay, it's starting to get dark enough. This one just turned on. Alright, yeah. The solar lights are on. This is what $3 gets you. Okay, so that's it. $3 at Walmart. Basically, just get the actual tiki lighting and some solar lighting and switch it out. It works. It works. Yes, I love solar lighting. It's great, not just because it doesn't use any electricity, but because it comes on automatically as soon as the sun starts to go down, and it turns off when the sun comes back up. Thanks to the sun. Looks pretty good though, huh? It's cold out there tonight. That solar lighting doesn't provide heat. But I think it looks good, and like I said, it's $3. How can you not spend $3 on something that pretty, right? Okay, so after watching this, hopefully you too may want to go spend $3 at Walmart. Yeah, $2 for the Tiki Torch and $1.97. for the solar light. And you know, actually, if you were to purchase a solar tiki torch, it would cost you anywhere from $20 to $60, depending on where you buy it from and how elaborate the torch is that it looks like. And yeah, so $3. And that works for me. Maybe it'll work for you too. I don't know. I just know that if you like solar lighting and you don't want to spend a whole bunch of cash and you're in the mood for a tiki torch to look at, summer's coming. Head to Walmart. Don't forget your wallet. Thanks for watching.